Today we are going to discuss about JavaScript data types. JavaScript data types. So JavaScript variables can hold many data types. JavaScript variables can hold many data types. Many data types. That is first one, number data type. Second one is string data types. Third one is arrays. Fourth one is object data type. And fifth one is functions. So functions also one data type. So these are all data types can hold the values. So data types is very important concept. Types is very important concept in JavaScript. JavaScript JS has only one type of numbers. Type of numbers. Here we have five types of data types. Okay, so we can create these data types using var keyword. To create the number data type, use var keyword, and my number is the variable, and this is the value 15. To create the string data type, string values, my name is the variable, JavaScript is the string data type. To create the array variables, use square bracket. In the square bracket, you can give the multiple values. Okay, array object can hold the multiple values. Okay, with same data type. Array index always start with 0. Okay, so this is the array variable. Okay, my array, where okay, my object type data type variable. So you can create object data type variables like first name. Okay, HTML, last name, CSS, or last name. And this is one to create the employee variables, multiple employee variables, multiple employee values. You can use object data type. So to create multiple employee values, use square bracket and comma, final, last. Okay, see here, object data type started with the square bracket and end with also square bracket. Between these two, so this is the first employee information. Okay, flower bracket. Within the flower bracket, two columns is there, first name and last name. Okay, first name value and last name value of first employee, and second employee of first name and last name. Last name. Okay, if you want to create multiple employees information, you can create like this: first name, and last name. Okay, so this is the object data type variable. So an example on these variables: add HTML form. Okay, data types.html form. Okay, on paragraph, id equal to p1, id equal to p2, p3, and p4. And after that, you can write some JavaScript code. So using JavaScript code, you can display these 5 type of variables. So you can create one number data type, and my number equal to 30. So we can display this value by using document.getElementById in p1, not in our HTML, equal to, okay, number is my number. And after that, create one string data type, my name equal to Harsha is the name and document.getElement by id. P2 inner HTML equal to string value my name, and finally create cities variable. Okay, array object. Okay, array data type. Okay, so this is the three cities. So we can display this cities in document dot get element by id p3 dot inner html equal to. So here we can display only one value from array, or you can display all the values from array. So but we cannot display object directly. Okay, directly we cannot display like this. So that if you want to display only one value from array, okay, so you use array index value to display only one value. So to display only one value from array, so give the array index value. Okay, array index start with 0, so that HYD is in 0 position, Mumbai 1 and Pune second position. So if you want to display only Pune, okay, from this array, so give the array index value. So 2 is the index value of Pune. Okay, and next object equal to this is also square bracket, but we can use flower brackets in the middle of square brackets. So we can create these names from here. Okay, first name, last name of 3 employees. So I want to display only one employee information in paragraph 4. So document dot get element by id p4 dot inner html equal to first name is first. So I want to display only one employee information, that is third employee. So here also we can use index. Okay, object of 2. Okay, Harsha position is 2 index value dot first name. Okay, in array object we have column name first name. Okay, so that given first name, last name is object of 2 dot last name. Okay, so this is the way to create the object data type and array data types. So if you run this example, so you will get the output. Okay, number and a string, and this is the array, and this is the object data type. So now, so here we are displaying only one city name, okay, from all these cities. So if you want to display all cities names, okay, so for this you have to write the for loop. So if you want to display all values from array, write for loop. Okay, same like C# and Java. Cities dot length. Okay, I plus plus. So create one variable result equal to empty variable. Or we can create an order list or order list here. OL tag, OL tag. For this OL tag, so we have to create li tag. In this li tag, we can apply city name, cities of 5. Okay, li. So that all li variables are created here. Okay, and finally we have to close the order list. OL. And finally, we can print that result in paragraph p3 dot inner html equal to result. Okay, here created one order list variable and for loop. So using for loop, we are this creating list variables. Okay, list items. Okay, this is the concatenation. So this is called, so adding extra content to all the existing content. Okay, so this is called order list. So li variables, li elements are created here. After that, we are closing order list. So we are displaying order list result in paragraph 3. So check this in output. Okay, and there is no output.
The V less than cities and I bet less submitting.
cities. Okay. I less than cities. Okay, see here. So all values are displaying from array variable. Okay, HYD Mumbai Pune. So like this, you can display object data type also, where result equal to, so you can create one table in for loop where j equal to 0 and j less than object dot length and j plus plus tr. In first row we have to display column names td, first name. In second column display the last name. And after that we have to create rows. Result 1 plus equal to tr second column. Okay, second row. In this tr we have to display column values. First td, object of j dot first name. Okay, in second column we have to display last name. Object dot, okay, last name. So that all values are created here, all the rows, and finally we need to close the one, close the table. Paragraph 4 that inner HTML equal to result 1. tr started and tr end, and the first column and second column. Last name. Okay, first name Pawan, Srinu, and Harsha. And last name P S D. Only table and the table. Okay, so table is created. The table is created and displaying object type, object values. So we can write styles for table. Auto collapse, border,